Okay, so today you've been assigned another assignment besides the extra credit. So this is extra credit, this is not mandatory, but this one, you guys have to be done by Monday. Okay, I'm being very reasonable. I'm not assigning the whole thing, I'm only assigning the half of it. So what we're gonna do now is, so today we are supposed to complete only, let's read the instructions. It says, yes, task 1 through 21. So you see, I actually put it on the assignment name. I did not add any instruction in there because it is very clear. Okay. So what we're gonna do next is we are going to go to your curriculum. All right, curriculum, and then complete building a PhotoCAD app. We only need to do 21 of them. All right, so I'm going to start from the very beginning. I'm going to do only a few of them. I think I'm going to reset it because it's been done. So in this workshop, you will continue working with basic HTML elements like heading, paragraph, list, building CAD for the app. This is simple. Now, begin the workshop by adding an H1 element with the text of CAD for the app. All you have to do is just follow the instructions. So here, what we're going to do, here, we're going to add H1, it says H1 element, and then the exact same text. Sometimes you guys can copy paste it. Copy it, paste it. All right, and then close the tag, \H1. When you guys complete it, click on check, and it's going to tell you it is done. Congratulations. You can move on to the next step. Step 2. All right, if you feel like you want to be a supporter, you can do that. Okay, it's going to make us wait, unfortunately, because they depend on donations. This is like, it's not a, what we call companies who don't make profit. They don't make profit. Non-profit organization, yes.
Charities.
Yeah, okay. So step 2, below H1 element, add H2 element with the text CAD photos. So we're gonna now add H2, okay, and then with the text CAD space photo. Sometimes if you don't have space, it might take it as incorrect. I'm gonna try that now. H2. So look, there is space between CAD and photo, right? But I'm gonna skip the space. Try to see if it's gonna work. It didn't work, you see? So spelling mistakes make difference. Now make sure you don't misspell things. So I'm gonna add a space now. All right, and then try it again. This time it's gonna work fine because it's exactly the exact text. I put exact text what they want me to put. All right, and proceed to the next one. I'm gonna do few, and I'm gonna stop the video. So create P element below H2. Now I'm gonna create a P element. So P has opening P tag, it has closing P tag, and then your paragraph goes in between, right? And then this is the sentence I'm supposed to put there. So you see, this is the sentence. Click on check your code. As you can see, it's shaping a very simple web page. So you just keep doing it until 21. All right, please make sure you read every step's instructions. In case if you get stuck, you can ask me. But usually it's pretty simple. All right, all you have to do is just read it. All right, you might get confused with namings. For example, they're gonna tell you add an anchor element. Anchor element is the element which allows you to put a link. That's called anchor. So the confusions you might have. If you do have a confusion, ask me. Okay, and I'm doing the last one. Commenting allows you to leave messages without affecting the browser display. It also allows you to make code inactive. Do you guys understand what it means? It means your code will not affect your page. So that's the reason we're using comments. A comment is HTML starts with this symbol and then ends with this symbol. Anything goes in between becomes inactive message or explanation. Example here, it says example code. You see to do, remove H1, it's been added and it does not affect your code. Now add a comment above P. So you see this P. I'm adding it above it. So how do I start it? It's bracket, exclamation, and then dash. Is it dash or is it? Yeah, it's dash, right? Yeah. So exclamation, dash, dash, and then add this comment here. So I'm going to type this. Again, guys, look. If you don't put it exactly the way the text is, it might be a mistake. Normally it shouldn't, but for the sake of this website, they just made it that way, so it'd be easier for you to know. Okay. Now I'm going to close the comment tag, which is dash dash, and close the tag. So you see, it turns green, meaning it is a comment, has zero effect on your code. Click on check, and boom. There you go. And keep adding more and more until you reach 21. On Monday, we're going to continue until 42. If you feel like you want to do it ahead of time, please. And you can have free time on Monday.